Hey, time to go.
My bad. Hey, we're home.
Have a good one.
Yeah, I'm here to read the meter.
Guess who I brought?
Hello. We're just down the street. We'll be there in 2 minutes.
Nest Doorbell from Google. It's wired, so it's always on, even if you're not. Listen and respond to visitors with your voice or an automated message.
Just need a moment.
Intelligent alerts let you know what's at the door. Recognize your favorite visitors with familiar faces.
Mom is at the front door.
Be there in a sec, Mom.
Look back on 3 hours of events and unlock up to 10 days of continuous video history, so you never miss a moment. The Nest Doorbell from Google. We've got your door covered.
Sorry, buddy, he's doing chores.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Really done yet?
Introducing the Smart Doorbell camera from ecobee. Sees what others can't. An industry-leading head-to-toe field of view. And hear your doorbell anywhere in the house with whole home chime. Plus see your doorbell live view right on your ecobee thermostat. You can also pair it with your favorite smart home solutions, like Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and ecobee Smart Security. Powerful sensors and enhanced night vision mean you have peace of mind, day or night. Add an ecobee Smart Security subscription to unlock even more features. So you're aware of all unwanted visitors, even the cute ones. The Smart Doorbell camera from ecobee sees more in extreme weather, sees more night or day, sees more head to toe, sees what others can't. Learn more at ecobee.com.
It's time to unleash the protection of dual cameras.
Dual cameras? What can they do?
We help you see everything, from door to floor.
That's amazing! Be back before 10, okay?
Okay, see you, Dad.
What else can it do?
We'll also guard your deliveries with smart AI.
And let you know when a new parcel arrives, while keeping porch pirates away.
Hey! Hands off my parcel!
Dual spotlight system lights your way home in the night.
Need a hand?
Alexa can show you who's there.
Oh, it's Sean and the gang. Wow. It's so clear, even in the night.
That's nothing. Don't forget Doorbell Cam also comes with local storage and no monthly fee.
Multi-dimensional protection is that easy.